welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. 大家好，欢迎来到艾琳食艺。Today we are making Taiwan Braised Pork Rice, 台湾滷肉饭. This is very popular and classic street food in Taiwan. Also, it's a very popular dish for the whole wide world. Make sure to cook more rice for this delicious traditional dish in Taiwan. Let's get started. First step, let's do some pre-work. I'm going to make the broth using the pork bone or beef bone and boil a pot of hot water. Put all the bone inside to rinse out the dirty blood water for around 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you can see all the floating meat stuff is coming out, and then we can turn off the heat and let's move it to the sink. Rinse the bone with cold water. Wash all the floating stuff away. Okay, after wash all clean, move the bone into a pot. And then add the water until it covers the bone. Okay, at 80% is fine. Move the pot into a steam cooker. Add 2 cups of water on the outside of the pot. Okay, cover with lid. Okay, cook. Okay, that's it. Okay, prepare a wok with half water and boil it. Then put our pork belly with skin to cook for 6 minutes. Okay, after 6 minutes, turn off the heat and move the pork belly on a plate. And let it fully cool down. Okay, let's prepare the raised scallion and also the garlic. Cut the front and the end. Take off the skin. Okay, slice it. Okay, and then do the same thing to the garlic. So right now the pork belly is cold. Let's cut it into a 1 centimeter cube, like this. Okay, like this size. Start cooking. Use a clay pot. Turn the heat to the medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. scallion and sliced garlic inside the clay pot. Give it a nice stir. Okay, put our chopped pork belly inside the pot. Add the crystal sugar. $45 grams. Spice powder. It's about 3 grams. Okay, stir. 50 grams of soy sauce. 250 grams of soy paste, 30 grams of rice wine. This is the broth we cooked earlier. And we need to remove the floating pot away. Then we can use the broth. Add the broth into the clay pot. About 1,000 grams, or just cover 80% of our clay pot. It almost boil. Add 1 pouch of the spice pouch inside, and turn the heat to the minimum heat for 2 hours. While we're waiting for the braised pork, remember to cook more rice. When the timer reaches to 2 hours, take off the lid and add 15 grams of the fried onion. Give it a nice stir. Okay, turn the heat to the medium heat. And let it cook for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the soup, the sauce will get thicker, and you can taste the flavor. If the saltiness is enough, you can ready to serve. Okay? Grab some rice. Oh, I forgot to mention, I put the boiled egg inside in the middle of our braised pork cooking, so we have a braised egg you can pair with the Taiwan braised pork rice. Okay. Scoop some sauce and meat on the rice. Pair with 1 egg if you desire. You can put 1 or 2 slices of the pickled radish, and decorate it with the cilantro leaves. Okay. Alright, so this is today's Taiwan braised pork rice. 台湾卤肉饭. It smells really good, and the pair with the rice is just so amazing. Make sure to cook more rice for this yummy dish. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time.